In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix on a Windows laptop. It's actually pretty easy. I will also show a picture of my dog at the end. Step 1. Access Netflix. There are two options, option A and B. Option A, open a supported web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Opera and visit netflix.com. Option B is to download the Netflix app from the Microsoft Store. For this, you will need Windows 10 or Windows 11. Step 2. Log in or create an account. Enter your valid Netflix email and password to sign in, and if you don't have an account, you can use the sign up button to create one. Then step 3. Now you can pick a movie or show, browse Netflix library or use the search feature to find your favorite titles. Click a title to start streaming immediately. Step 4. Download content for offline use. If you're using the Netflix app, you can find content marked as downloadable and then you can tap the download icon. Then you can watch downloaded content without an internet connection, so you can watch them anywhere offline. This is very nice. Now some troubleshooting tips for you. Ensure your internet connection is stable and the browser app is updated. I advise you to use an Ethernet cable to your laptop, which will make the streaming smoother. Then I advise you to clear your browser cache or update graphic drivers if you have any playback issues. And that is how you watch Netflix on your Windows laptop. And now here is a nice picture of my dog. He is extremely cute. What do you think of him? Very cute. Woof woof, bye.